Good afternoon, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll. So I'm in the Mills 50 area, which is on Colonial and Mills. There's a whole bunch of like places to eat and drink and stuff. But I came here because I wanted to check out this new claw arcade place called Kawaii Neko. It opened up, I think, last month in August. But I'm really excited to try it. I'm not really that good at claw games, but I'm with Timo and he says he's good at them. So let's see how many prizes he can get. Okay, guys, if you get confused like me, this place is located next to Pokehana or Hane Poke, and it's kind of hard. It's like in the corner, but I don't know if can we open this way? Oh yeah, we can go through this way. Ooh. Ah, this is so cool. All right, so this place you have to buy credits. It's like a card you put in the machine and then you can play. But I don't know where, oh, I guess we get it from here. Oh, I don't know how I missed the entrance. This is the entrance. We went through the back way. And this is so cool. Awesome. And then this is the prize exchange area. Oh, here's the price. I mean, the prices for the credits. Right here. 20 credits, $10, 50 credits, 20, 90 credits, 25, 120, 35, 175 credits, 50, and then 380 credits, $100. So it's cool when you spend $100 and you get 380 credits. They give you this Kawaii Neko VIP card, and this card is not rechargeable. But then also these are the perks that you get for being VIP. Okay, first game he's gonna play is getting a Garfield. He says he's always good at these claw games, so let's see.
You can try. There's more stuff over here.
Yes, 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 yes. Wow, you got it on the first try. You're so good at these games. I'm so happy you got the Garfield. Because I want to see all the games first. Purple Teletubby. Oh, see, you didn't even get it. Basically, you swipe your card down there, and then you choose which one you want to get. You still trying for the purple one? Oh, and it slipped right out again. Maybe you should try a different game.
You don't win the first time.
You did it with the Garfield.
Well, you get lucky sometimes. Well, nope.
See, it's not easy.
This one is crying if it doesn't.
Do it. So how you do it? You just tap?
Oh no!
Okay. And then you just move it? I want the brown one. But I don't think it's gonna get it. Because it's closer. Oh! I thought it would be closer to dropping it. We'll try one more time. It looked easy, and then it dropped it. Come on, get it? And drop it this way. Why does it keep falling?
Because it's a claw machine. You don't win every time.
Let me try one more time. Maybe a third time's a charm. You make it look so easy. I want the brown one. No! Right? Well, I have to get one. Because you got like 2 prizes already. All right, let's try the purple one, the blue one there. Oh. Well, what should I try instead?
I like those ones.
Oh, I know what to try. The duck.
Side up.
Yeah, from Pokemon. This way. I finally got one. Look. Finally got something. Now, yes. All right, let's try. Maybe I can try the what's that game where you have to stop it and you get a mystery box? Come this side. I know what it is. Come here. Oh, I can't. Never mind. It's out of order. But that's the mystery box. But it's out of order.
It's not a mystery. You know what it is, right?
A lububu. Okay, let's try this hamburger thing.
These might be a little harder.
Why?
These are small.
They look easier. Well, maybe. Oh yeah, you're right. Never mind. I talked too soon. I thought it'd be easier for the hamburger.
Here, let me try.
All right. Yeah, you're right. It is harder. The smaller the item is, the harder it is to get. Hey, let's see which one I want to try for. Let's try this one. I got the piggy! Yay, on the first try. Ah, yay. All right, guys, he's gonna try to attempt to cut the string on the Pikachu. And if you cut it, this Pikachu drops and you win the big giant Pikachu plushie.
I don't necessarily want a giant.
But just try it one time. Well, I didn't see you because I was talking.
Oh,
See, I told you that's why it's the hardest game. I told you.
so it kept moving.
All right, guys. So the entrance of the place is across from the jeweler, and I didn't realize it was next to this pharmacy. So we went to the back entrance and we got the side park. They do have a parking lot behind there, but it's very full. But we were lucky to get the street parking. So now, since we're in the Mills 50 area, we're gonna go eat at this Chinese restaurant. It used to be called Chuan Lu Garden. Now they changed it to a gourmet Chinese cuisine. So they have Sichuan dishes, like authentic Chinese food. It's on the same street, so we're just gonna walk there because it's only a 3-minute walk, which is not bad, instead of trying to figure out parking for the restaurant. I know it might be kind of noisy, guys. Hopefully you can hear me through the mic, but because I'm on the main street where all the cars are coming. But now we're gonna have our early dinner there. Okay, guys, we have reached. It's right here, a gourmet Chinese cuisine. It says it's open, or it says business of the month, right? On Thornton and Colonial. I think this is the entrance. It should be, right? Okay, so for appetizer, T-Bone and I are gonna be sharing. Are these egg rolls? Okay, I was gonna say spring rolls. I can never tell the difference between them two. But yeah, the egg rolls.
Spring rolls on fried.
Spring roll on fried. Okay. And then he ordered for his main entree the General Sour Chicken. And then he got a bowl of white rice that comes with it. It looks really good and it came out pretty quick. So this is a Chinese vegetable. It's a Cantonese dish that even my grandma makes at home, and it's really good. We call it snow peas, and they make it with garlic, and it's has a great flavor to it. Now I'm just waiting for my beef to come. I got one of the owner's recommendation. But Joyce said that you should try the sweet ribs. So that's what I'm waiting for to come out now. Wow, that looks super good. I didn't know it came with vegetables, but I ordered extra. I mean, it's healthy for you, so why not have more? But it's supposed to be like a sweet pork. I've never had this one before. I usually just get pork belly or roasted pork, but this one looks delicious.
That is pork
It is the same thing. Oh, well, I'm not used to it with the creamy
You got like
sauce.
barbecue
Sauce. Oh, I've never seen it that way. I'm used to it. No, don't make fun of me. So, I want to try a piece of this because it looks so good. Ooh. Oh yeah, you're right. It is pork belly, but it's very sweet. I mean, she did tell me that before I order it. She's like it has a sweet texture to it, but it's still really good. It's chewy. Ooh. Oh my gosh. And I'm glad it came with the vegetable I like too. So we call this bok choy.
It's what everyone calls it.
Well, I saw oh no in Chinese we say choy for everything. We call this choy. Choy means like greens, like vegetables in Chinese. So that's what I'm so yeah. But this one, this vegetable over here, it's snow peas, and like I said, they mix this with ooh, uh, salt and ginger.
Looks like spinach.
Yeah, that's the best way to describe it. It's like spinach, but the difference between this one is more saltier than this one. It's sweet because of the sauce, like the barbecue sauce I call it, that's mixed in with the pork, and they give you a bowl of white rice too, which is great because we eat rice with everything, literally anything and everything. But yeah, I love this pork.
Yeah, you're gonna have a lot left over. There's no way
Yeah.
you're gonna.
No, I know. I can't. I have a small
I
stomach.
can't.
Well, that's because you had a big bowl of chicken. That's why. So, since I had so much leftovers, I asked for a box and bag to go. They box everything up, and I like this little cute red bag that they put it in. It looks like a lunch box because it's insulated in the inside too, and it's cute. It's in my favorite color, red. And they also handed me a complimentary lemonade to go because the food took a while to come out. So that was very nice of them. Like I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't asking for it. They just handed it when they gave me my to-go box. But my experience here was amazing. The food was great. Everything we had was so good. Like I loved it. They are in their soft opening moment right now, but so not if you guys come here you might not get everything that's on the menu, but whatever they have is all good. He's doing some of my lemonade. It's refreshing.
Tastes like lemon.
But let me know in the comments, guys, are you planning to come to a gourmet Chinese cuisine? Their sister restaurant is also in Winter Park, which is like 10 minutes from here, called Lu Chow. Was it Chow Fu? I forgot what it's called, but it's basically their restaurant in Winter Park, which is they own both of them. But this was closer to the claw arcade place that we wanted to go to. That's why I want to come here. Plus, they just remodeled for a year and they just opened up after renovation. So I wanted to come here and try it. So, right, let me know if you guys are planning to come or are you already ate here. I would like to hear your comments below. Okay, guys, so just got back home from going to the Kawaii Neko arcade. I want to show off all the prizes that we want. You are allowed to exchange this for something else, but I'm happy with what we got. And it's cool because they give you this cute fly backpack to carry everything in, because there's a lot of plushes and my hands were getting full. So I want to show off. So Timo got all the Teletubbies. So the first Teletubby is the green one.
Yeah, it's greeny weeny and purple nurple.
Greeny weeny and purple, what?
Nurple.
Nurple. So he got the Teletubbies. He won these prizes. Okay. I won the duck. The yellow duck. I forgot the name. But yes, I won this one, guys. And I also won Garfield. Okay. Then I also won Piggy. There were little prizes with the cats. Did you put them in here? Where are the kitty cats? Here's one of them.
In my car.
Well, at least I have one to show them. He has more cats, but this is one of, I know it's really tiny, guys, but that's one of the little cats that he won. They also have Labubus. If you guys don't know what Labubus are, they're the popular dolls that every girl's like putting on their purse or stuff. But I didn't win a Labubu because the machine that you were able to win it, it was like a mystery box, but obviously you see the Labubu on the left. It was out of order, so we couldn't try to play that game. But we still have credits left on our card because we got 380 credits, but we didn't use all of it, so we'll save it for next time. Oh, and also, in case you guys are wondering, Kawaii Neko means cute, what is it, cat? Yeah. Cute cat. That's what it means in Japanese. So I had a really fun time. It's a really nice arcade. It's great for everybody. Family, kids, couples, date, whatever. But, and like I was telling you earlier, if you sign up for if you pay for the most expensive one, which is $100 for 380 credits, you get a VIP card, you get a free, which we forgot to pick up, our free welcome gift. I'll do it next time. You get a free welcome gift, 10% off on the claw games. You get, I forgot what else. I don't remember what was on it. I don't have the card on me. It's in my backpack somewhere. But it's a cool lot of perks when you get the VIP card. And then we also went to dinner at the Gourmet Chinese Cuisine on Mills and 50, which used to be called Chuan Lu Garden. I'm not sure why they changed it, but I got to meet the owner, Joyce. She was very nice and friendly, explaining all her recommendations for the place. You couldn't order everything on it because, like I said, it was in soft opening, but it was nice because they do authentic Chinese food and how you say that? Shitsuan? I can never pronounce that word. But they do that dishes there. So we both enjoyed our food there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this day with us doing the Kawaii Neko arcade and having dinner at a gourmet Chinese cuisine. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye!